How's it going, guys? Mike Simon here, and today I picked up both the Kobalt 40 volt mower and the weed eater. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of both, show you what's inside the box, and also assemble the weed eater and the mower itself. It's very easy to assemble. There's no tools involved. It's pretty much you get the screws or bolts, and then you have little quick turn nuts to put on. That's all you need to do. I apologize in part of the video where it goes out of focus. I had it set to autofocus when I should have had it to manual. I'm still a noob at this and learning, so bear with me on that. I apologize. Stay tuned towards the end. I'm going to also do a quick video and show you how the mower works in the grass, as well as how quiet this thing is. You will not believe it. I was outside with the family today. I actually cut the back grass, as you see where I'm assembling it, while they were out eating on the porch, and they were still talking, and it wasn't bothering them all. So that's the cool thing about this mower. Another feature that I noticed on this, when you're not really cutting grass, thick grass, it actually slows itself down and gets quieter. So the thicker the grass is, it picks speed up as it needs it. So it's not wasting the battery, and it's not running 100%. Now, both devices that I picked up come with a charger and a battery. The weed eater came with a 2.5 amp battery, and the mower came with a 5 amp. Both batteries will work universal in each device, as they are both 40 volts. Stay tuned. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel for upcoming new unboxings, assemblies, vlogs, you name it. Hopefully I got it. I'll show you. Peace.